A face-off between Delhi police and the shooters linked to the Narayana luxury car showroom firing. There was a confrontation between the police and the shooters. One shooter, Arman Malik, was shot in the leg during the encounter. He is known to be a shooter for Himanshu Bhau, a mastermind based out of the United States. And the other shooter is believed to be an international junior level kickboxer. We have my colleague Anushka joining us to get us more on this. Anushka, this incident that took place on Friday when these two shooters, in fact, there was a third one who had walked into the showroom and opened fire. About 20 rounds of bullets were fired and they had made some demands regarding extortion. Now, two of them have been caught and one of them is said to have been shot in the leg while, during that encounter, and the other apparently a kickboxer.
Well, certainly the Delhi Police Special Cell has made a big breakthrough in this whole Narayana firing incident. Let me tell you that this incident happened on Friday night where three shooters went inside a car showroom and opened fire 20 bullets, around the whole showroom. They demanded extortion of around rupees 5 crores from the showroom's, owner, and also Arman Malik, a shooter who has been shot on the leg during the encounter, has been identified, and he has been said to be, he belongs from Charkhi Dadri in Haryana, and during the face-off he was trying to outrun the police, but in that whole process 6 rounds of firings were exchanged back and forth. Also, Arman Malik got shot in his leg, and right now he's been arrested by the Delhi police. It has been said that a lot of weapons and cartridges has been recovered, recovered from Arman Malik, and also the second shooter Deepak, who was involved in this case, has been said to be an international level kickboxer on junior level. Also, he has won 3 consecutive gold medals and was working in Indian Army through sports quota. Now, what is quite weird about this whole incident is that a person who is a well-reputed, international athlete, and also he has served a time in Army, has stooped to criminal ways of gaining financially, and also was involved in this crime. Now, it has been come forward that Delhi police, and according to Delhi police sources, that Arman Malik was constantly in touch with Himanshu Bhau. Now, remember, a note was recovered from the spot where this incident happened. In that note, there was written Himanshu Bhau gang since 2020, and now that the note was recovered, the Delhi police has said that they were constantly in touch through Signal app, and Arman Malik and Deepak are part of the Himanshu Bhau shooter gang. Also, gang-related violence and extortion-related cases were happened, within 24 hours. 3 cases like those happened, in which Delhi police made a big breakthrough in the Narayana firing incident, where 2 shooters are right now arrested by the Delhi Police Special Cell. Back to studio.